Hello guys, welcome to my channel. That name is Current Affair. Today I will discuss 1 to 180 question of previous year RRB NTPC question. Let's start without wasting time. Sukanya Smridhi Yojana is related to farmer, women, children, uh, girl, girl children, yes, senior citizen. The answer is option number C, girl children. Which country is not a member of BIMSTEC? India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka. The answer is option number C, Nepal. Which of the following is not one of the seven sister state of India? Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Sikkim. The answer is option number D, Sikkim. In which year was the Environment Protection Act passed in India? 1986, 1988, 1990, yeah, 1991. The answer is option number A, 1986. Let's find the next question. The next question is DRDO work under the which minister? Home Minister, Defense Minister, Science Minister, yeah, Space Minister. The answer is option number B, Defense Minister. Who received the 55th Gyan Pith Award 2029 2019? Amrit Ghosh, Krishna. The answer is option number A, Amrit Ghosh. Let's find the next question. From where did the Mahatma Gandhi start the Dandi March? Um, Vadodara, Sabarmati Ashram, Porbandar, या Rajkot? The answer is option number B, Sabarmati. Find the next question. The next question is which pass connects Srinagar with Leh? Nathula Pass, Jolai Pass, Bar Lacha Pass, या Rohtang Pass? The answer is option number B, Jolia Park. Which country is not the permanent member of the UN Secretary Council? France, United Kingdom, Japan, China. The answer is option number C, China. Japan. Gobi Desert is Gobi Desert is located in which continent? Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia. The answer is option number B, Asia. Let's find the next question. The next question is which of the following is a Maharashtra PSU of India? IIDTD. The answer is option number C, Coal India Limited. Let's find the next question. The next question is what is UBUNTU? Answer is operating system, malware, hardware device, web browser. The answer is option number A, operating system. Let's find the next question. The next question is which two banks were merged in the Bank of Baroda in 2019? The answer is option number B, Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank. Let's find the next question. The next question is which part of a computer is called the brain? Monitor, CPU, hard disk, या ROM? The answer is option number C, CPU. Find the next question. The next question is in which year did ISRO launch the Mars orbit mission? 2012, 2013, 2014, या 2015? The answer is option number B, 2013. Which unit is used to measure the amount of substance? Joule, Tesla, mole, या lux? The answer is option number C, mole. Next question. Who wrote Rajat Ragini? कालिदास, चंद्र बरदारी, कल्हना या जयदेव? The answer is option number C, Kalhan. Let's find the next question. The next question is Patachitra painting belongs to which state? Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, या Rajasthan? The answer is option number C, Odisha. Let's find the next question. Which monument is not located in Delhi? Buland Darwaja, Ali Darwaja, Humayun Top, या India Gate? The answer is option number A, Buland Darwaja. Let's find the next question. The next question is which disease is caused by a virus? Cholera, smallpox, typhoid, या tuber, tuberculosis? The answer is option number B, smallpox. Let's find the next question. What is the full form of a URL? Unique Resource Locator, unique revoked location, uniform resource locator. The answer is option number C, uniform resource locator. Let's find the next question. Sericulture is related to fish farming, poultry, silk production, yeah, beekeeping. The answer is option number C, silk production. Let's find the next question. The next question is which show a symbiotic relation funaria, lichen, malaria, or a owl and rat? The answer is option number C, lichen. Let's find the next question. The next question is the theme of the World Environment Day 2024 was beat plastic pollution, biodiversity, connect people to the nature, yeah, water pollution. The answer is option number D, biodiversity. Who was the founder of Pratham Samaj? Atmaram Pandurang, Swami Vivekanand. Answer is option number A, Atmaram Pandurang. Let's find the next question. The next question is sound cannot travel through steel, vacuum, air, or liquid. The answer is option number B, vacuum. Let's find the next question. The next question is Khelo India Youth Games 2020 were held in Guwahati, Kolkata, Chennai, या Bangalore. The answer is option number A, Guwahati. Let's find the next question. The next question is what is the maximum length of Lok Sabha strength of 545, 550, 552, and 560? The answer is option number C, 552. Next question. Second battle of Panipat was fought in 1526, 1536, 1556, yeah 1557, 76. The answer is option number C, 1556. Uh, Kundakulam nuclear power plant were located in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka. The answer is option number A, Tamil Nadu. Let's find the next question. Who was the youngest president of India? Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Zakir Hussain, or Dr. Rajendra Prasad? The answer is option number A. Let's find the next question. Which South American country is landlocked? Option A, option B, option C, or option D. The answer is option number A, Paraguay. Let's find the next question. Central Potato Research Institute is located at Delhi, Lucknow, Shimla, Karachi. The answer is option number C, Simla. Let's find the next question. The next question is headquarter of International Court of Justice is at Paris, New York, Hague, या Washington DC. The answer is option number C, Hague. Freedom is my birth right. Who was said by Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The answer is option number C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which Indian city has the longest coastline? Maharashtra, Kerala, Gujarat, या Odisha? The answer is option number C, Gujarat. Let's find the next question. The next question is where Sabrimala temple is located in Maharashtra, Odisha, Kerala, या Andhra Pradesh. The answer option number is C, Kerala. Let's find the next question. Which gas is mainly responsible for the greenhouse effect? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. The answer is option number C, carbon dioxide. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad. The answer is option number C, B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Which planet is known as a red planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. The answer is option number B, Mars. Let's find the next question. The next question is which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, Goa. The answer is option number C, Kerala. Let's find the next question. The next question is The currency of South Korea is yen, yuan, won, ya ringgit. The answer is option number C, won. Let's find the next question. The next question is, who was the first Governor General of Independence India? Lord Mountbatten, C. Gopalachari, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. Answer is option number A. Which vitamin is produced in the human body in the presence of sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, या vitamin D. The answer is option number D, vitamin D. The headquarters of a WHO is located at New York, Paris, Geneva, या Rome. The answer is option number C, Geneva. Let's find the next question. Which Indian river is called the sorrow of Bihar? Ganga, Gandak, Kosi, या Son? The answer is option number C, Kosi. Let's find the next question. The next question is, who invented the telephone? Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, James Watt, या Marconi? The answer is option number B, Alexander Graham Bell. Let's find the next question. Which is the largest continent in the world? Africa, Europe, Asia, or Australia? The answer is option number C, Asia. Let's find the next question. Next question is, which country hosts the first Olympic Games? Italy, France, Greece, or England? The answer is option number C, Greece. Let's go next question. The longest river in the world is Amazon, Yangtze, Mississippi, Nile. The answer is option number D, Nile. Which metal is known as a quicksilver? Silver, mercury, platinum, or tin? The answer is option number B, mercury. Which Indian city is known as a Silicon Valley of India? Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Bengaluru. The answer is option number D, Bengaluru. Next question. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Sarojini Naidu, या Subhash Chandra Bose? The answer is option number B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Let's find the next question. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? Germany, France, Canada, Italy? The answer is option number B, France. Let's find the next question. The Indian Space Research Organization was established in 1965, 1967, 1969, 1972. The answer is option number C, 1969. Which ocean is the largest in the world? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean? The answer is option number D, Pacific Ocean. Let's find the next question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Pratibha Patil, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Suchita Kriplani? The answer is option number C, Indira Gandhi. Let's find the next question. Which gas is used in the fire extinguisher? Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen? The answer is option number C, carbon dioxide. The Taj Mahal is located in Delhi, Jaipur, Agra, and Lucknow. The answer is option number C, Agra. Next question. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? China, Japan, Thailand, or South Korea? The answer is option number B, China. Japan. B. Who discovered gravity? Albert Einstein, Galileo, Isaac Newton, or Copernicus? The answer is option number C, Newton. Next question. Which Indian state produced the most tea? West Bengal, Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu? The answer is option number B, Assam. Let's find the next question. The next question is what is the national flower of India? Rose, lily, lotus, sunflower. The answer is option number C, lotus. Next question. Which in a day is celebrated as a World Environment Day? 22 April, 5th June, 16th September, 8 March. The answer is option number B, 5th June. The hardest natural substance is gold, iron, diamond, platinum. The answer is option number C, diamond. Let's find the next question. The next question is who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Amrit Sen, Mother Teresa. The answer is option number B, Rabindranath Tagore. Which Indian river flow through the Rift Valley? Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Godavari. The answer is option number C, Narmada. Next question. Which blood group is known as a universal donor? A, B, AB या O negative? The answer is option number D, O negative. Let's find the next question. Which country has the largest population in the world 2023 25? China, India, USA, Indonesia. The answer is option number B, India. The Constitution of India was adopted in 15 August 1947, 26 January 1950, 26 November 1949. The answer is option number C, 26 November 1949. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Light? Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas. The answer is option number B, Diwali. Next question. Which instrument is used to measure earthquakes? Barometer, seismograph, thermometer, या hygrometer? The answer is option number B, seismograph. Let's find the next question. The next question is which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. The answer is option number C, Punjab. The International Labour Organization headquarters is New York, Vienna, Geneva, Paris. The answer is option number C, Geneva. Let's find the next question. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as Netaji? Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The answer is option number B, Subhash Chandra Bose. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel also. Also press the bell icon. Tomorrow I will discuss previous year RRB NTPC question of GK and general science. Thank you for watching and supporting me.